I remember like 2 months ago, me and my buddy we had like a little run-in, like a little SJW run-in, and we both just went into like, madam, okay, madam. We're like, don't do it, man.
So last night was the notorious free speech comedy show event, hosted by our friend Danny Polishchuk and some good comics. Ryan Long, JJ Lieberman, Dan Guiry, Amish Patel. So it was a good show. But this was the second attempt. The first attempt was supposed to be at Comedy Bar a couple of months ago, which Antifa found out about it and they threatened Comedy Bar and they called them and even broke the locks of the Comedy Bar. So the event was cancelled. Free speech comedy show was cancelled by threats of anti-fascists. Now Danny Polishchuk is a Jewish comic and they called him a Nazi. Now this event, with the help of Students for Free Speech at York University, that happened in U of T. Again, they kind of made threats. The university forced them to pay a lot more money for security. But at the end, this is what happened.
Which I just love the idea that like the guys explaining that, the cows downrange, up. All right, looks like someone called the fire alarm. Oh, come on. Well, that's it. I guess you never even gonna get out. They were supposed to be,
we need to treat it as such, right?
What happened to the security?
Fire, no.
Any fire?
You're all clear now, yeah?
No fire? Stop a comedy show because I was a communist, I probably would also pull the fire alarm. What's that? More creative? No, I would definitely leech off government infrastructure. Because I'm such a communist, I need to get the fucking fire department. That probably cost everybody in this room like $1. Like, it was like legitimately, we all just paid $1.
This was a great comedy show. Everybody who was there loved it. They enjoyed themselves and they laughed at everything. They laughed at themselves.
She came back later and she said to him, like, I hope you know that you triggered me. I hope you know. I don't know. Madam, okay, madam.
And in my opinion, Ryan and JJ killed it. They were like the stars. And Dan Guiry was great, but for half of his set, his mic didn't work and he didn't know we can't hear half of his stuff.
And yeah, Gary's really all right to me. Oh, the phantoms are rejoicing. Oh, it's full of fucking fireworks. Can't let the Jews talk about their dicks.
It was a fun night. But the university made him pay for all that security money.
And then didn't secure the event. They pulled the fire alarm anyway. So you might be wondering, how do you get security funding in this day and age? Well, there is an answer. The government of Canada will pay for your security, but you have to follow certain rules. 1, you must be caught sending money to a noted terrorist organization. Hamas helps.
Write it
2,
down.
You should be caught misappropriating government funds and be fined for tax evasion at least once. 3, make sure that 75% of the board members that were involved in these scandals are still active. So to recap.
What organization was this?
The Eid Foundation, I believe.
Okay.
And the Port Colquitt Mosque.
Okay.
There. So, again, in 2017, let's just recap. A liberal Jewish comedian standing up for a basic fundamental liberal principle
is a Nazi.
People who support organizations that openly threaten to kill every single Jew in the world are victims. Again, so if you want money for your event, please send a donation to Hamas.
And say mean things about Jews.
Yes, because remember,
You'll get that grant like this.
Jews
like they'll make it rain, baby.
are Nazis.
Just they'll make it rain.